Welcome back, AZ Classic Cars Cheap. On this channel, we discuss the most brutal, unique, and of course, Prostreet monsters ready to shake up the streets and drag strips. From big block blowers, wide stances, to extreme builds at reasonable prices, it's all here. If you love muscle cars, drag cars, and Prostreet builds, you're in the right place. One, 1970 Chevy Nova race car. Price, $125,000. Location, Grand Prairie, Texas. Unleash pure race-bred dominance with a 1970 Chevy Nova built for serious competition and extreme horsepower. Under the hood lives a monstrous 605 cubic inch big block Chevy paired to a bulletproof turbo, 400 transmission, and force-fed by a massive procharger for brutal, neck-snapping acceleration. Power is transferred through a professionally engineered 4-link rear suspension and fabricated differential, creating a rock-solid foundation designed to hook hard and launch straight. Crafted as a top-of-the-line race machine, this Nova represents elite-level engineering. With an engine built by renowned builder Jeff Neisser, every component reflects high-end performance, precision assembly, and a no-compromise approach to speed. Purpose-built, aggressively tuned, and visually intimidating, this race car is ready to dominate the strip and turn heads in the pits. Serious power, serious pedigree, serious presence. A true heavyweight contender waiting for its next driver. 2. 1984 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Price, $39,495. Mileage, 3,695 miles. Location, Rogers, Arkansas. Arkansas born to dominate both the street and the show field. This 1984 Camaro Z28 is a super show-winning Prostreet beast wrapped in stunning pure red paint over a laser-straight body that commands attention from every angle. Under the hood roars a fresh 406 Ci small block fitted with new Edelbrock ERPM heads, 1.6 roller tip rockers, twin 600 brawler carburetors, and a menacing Dyer 6 to 71 blower backed by MSD boost ignition for explosive, instant throttle response. Power flows through a built turbo 350 transmission with a 2,800 stall converter and trans brake, sending torque to a 4-link 9 inches rear with 4.11 gears and Wilwood brakes. QA1 coilovers on all 4 corners keep everything planted and controlled. Inside, a clean black interior features 3 race seats, 5-point harnesses, new carpet, and a fully functional lighting and electrical system. Proof that comfort and competition can coexist. 3. 1978 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $7,000. Mileage, 5,000 miles. Location, Benton, Arkansas. Built to intimidate and engineered to perform, this blacked-out 1978 Nova Coupe delivers pure street and strip attitude in a lightweight, aggressive package. Under the hood lives a stout 355 Ci small block Chevy, balanced in blueprint, stuffed with .020 over cast pistons, solid lifters, roller rockers, a Comp Cam's 296XE camshaft, and Promax heads, all breathing through a massive 1050 Holley carb and backed by a full MSD ignition system. Power is routed through a turbo 350 automatic with a B&M slap shift, 2,300 stall converter, line lock brakes, and a Ford 9 inches rear loaded with 4.10 gears, locker, and upgraded axles for serious bite. A trunk-mounted fuel cell, electric water pump, long tube headers with 19 inches pipes, and a nitrous-ready setup capable of handling a 300 shot make the performance potential downright nasty. 4. 1966 Dodge Dart. Price, $10,000. Mileage, 123,456 miles. Location, Port Arthur, Texas. Wearing classic blue paint and carrying true Mopar attitude, this 1966 Dodge Dart offers an excellent foundation for a street cruiser or weekend muscle project. Beneath the hood sits a healthy 360 V8 equipped with a mild cam, delivering a strong, throaty personality that pairs perfectly with the legendary 727 torque-flight automatic transmission for smooth yet authoritative shifts. Inside, the refreshed interior provides a clean, comfortable driving environment, while the redone trunk adds both function and presentation. Carefully garage-kept, stored under cover, and maintained with a battery tender, this car has been preserved with pride and attention. Representing a solid, honest classic with a clean title and plenty of potential, the Dart is ready for a new caretaker. 5. 1976 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $25,000. Mileage, 12,345 miles. Location, Dayton, Texas. Drenched in bold blue with a sleek black interior, this street-and-strip weapon blends classic Nova lines with modern LS Fury for a jaw-dropping driving experience. Under the hood lives a brutally built LS-based 383-stroker featuring premium internals, PRC performance heads, a Victor Jr. intake, and a 90mm throttle body, all managed by a Holley Terminator EFI system for crisp throttle response and dependable power. Backing the monster motor is a TH350 automatic with a manual valve body and Circle D converter, while a cold fusion nitrous kit stands ready to unleash an extra surge of adrenaline. Supporting the power is a race-ready chassis with a 10-point cage, Moser axles, billet spool, 3.73 gears, Caltrac suspension, and four-wheel disc brakes. Finished with lightweight fiberglass bumpers, aggressive SSR star wheels, and 5-point harnesses, this fully street-legal grudge car is capable of single-digit quarter-mile performance. 6. 1968 Pontiac Firebird Coupe. Price, $30,000. Mileage, 100,000 miles. Location, Barry, Texas. Bathed in bold orange with a striking white interior, this classic Firebird delivers raw muscle attitude blended with old-school character and modern performance. Under the hood lives a ferocious 496 big block Chevy topped with a towering 6 to 71 Wien blower, dual 750 carburetors, and Brodix heads, all built around a stout 4-bolt block with a steel crank and H-beam rods, fully balanced and professionally assembled. Backing the beast is a Tremec TKX 5-speed manual paired to a rugged Dana 60 rear with 3.54 gears, creating an aggressive yet street-friendly drivetrain. A fresh interior and original exterior paint with rich patina complete this head-turning street machine. 7. 1972 Chevrolet Vega. Price, $20,000. Location, Rose Hill, Kansas. Built with racing in mind, this 1972 Chevy Vega ladder bar car delivers an aggressive foundation for anyone planning a serious high-horsepower setup. Offered as a roller, no engine, transmission, electronics, or fuel system, so you can finish it your way. Outfitted with hot and cold side piping and a large-on 394 billet wheel turbo, plus an Edelbrock 4500 flange rectangle port intake, AccuFab throttle body, Pro Extreme hat, and tile blow-off valve. Inside is race-focused with a race-equipped containment seat, MPI steering wheel, fire suppression system, and water tank. Power support includes a Fab 9 inches rear with an aluminum third member, 3.89 gears, 40-spline gun-drilled axles, a carbon fiber drive shaft, and AFCO big gun rear shocks with AFCO fronts. 8. 1987 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Price, $35,000. Mileage, 1,000 miles. Location, Wichita, Kansas. A jaw-dropping 1987 Oldsmobile Cutlass with a Euro front end built to stun at car shows and dominate the streets. Boasting only 600 miles on a full build, this driver/show car packs 750 to 800 horsepower from meticulously tuned 383 topped by a 6 to 71 blower and dual Edelbrock carburetors. The forged rotating assembly, comp cams blower cam, MSD ignition, and blower control box ensure serious reliability. Finished in flawless ruby red metallic over black with silver pinstriping, the tub chassis rides on a Ford 9 inches rear with 3.50 gears, comp engineering coilovers, QA1 tubular front arms, and a turbo 350 with reverse full manual valve body and 2,800 stall converter. The custom interior includes a 4-point cage, odometer gauges with GPS speedometer, and premium audio. 9. 1965 Factory 5-Type 65 Coupe Daytona. Price, $75,000. Location, Indianapolis, Indiana. This 1965 Factory 5-Type 65 Coupe Daytona is a professionally assembled kit car inspired by the legendary Daytona Coupe design, combining classic racing aesthetics with modern engineering. Finished in ceramic gray with dual black stripes over a black interior, this coupe was built using Factory 5 racing chassis and components, with the build beginning in 2018 and completed in 2024. The power comes from a 427 Windsor small block V8 producing approximately 534 horsepower and 521 lb-ft of torque. A 5-speed manual transmission paired with a McLeod clutch transfers power to an 8.8 in rear end with 3.55 gears. Weighing an estimated 2,550 pounds, this lightweight coupe delivers impressive performance potential. The interior features leather-trimmed surfaces, LED lighting, an HVAC system, fixed Kirky seats, and a full roll cage with multi-point harnesses. Willwood brakes and 17 inches Halibran wheels provide confident stopping power and classic styling. With minimal miles since completion and extensive documentation included, this Daytona offers an exceptional opportunity to own a modern interpretation of a historic American race car icon. 10. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Price, $29,995. Location, Oyster Bay, New York, United States. The 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 offered here is a well-preserved example of late second-generation American muscle, combining original character with timeless performance appeal. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, this Camaro presents a cohesive and period-correct appearance that reflects the bold styling of the late 1970s performance era. With approximately 140,000 miles driven, the vehicle demonstrates a long-term usability and consistent ownership history. Power comes from its original 350 cubic in V8 engine, maintaining authenticity and classic drivability. Paired with an automatic transmission, this Z28 delivers smooth cruising and relaxed street manners, making it suitable for weekend drives, local shows, or collection display. While the car does not feature air conditioning, it stays true to its muscle-focused roots and mechanical simplicity. The exterior remains clean and attractive, showcasing aggressive body lines, iconic Z28 badging, and the unmistakable Camaro profile. Inside, the blue interior complements the exterior color scheme and preserves the original muscle car atmosphere. This Camaro has not been overmodified. This adds to its appeal for enthusiasts who value originality and classic presentation. Best suited for buyers seeking a genuine classic Camaro with real-world usability rather than a heavily altered build, this 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 represents an affordable and authentic entry into classic American muscle ownership, whether enjoyed as a nostalgic cruiser or preserved as a collectible.